Hey, welcome back, guys, gals, rock and rollers, guitar players, lookers, and watchers. Let's take a look today at a song by many artists have covered it, but way I look at it, I look at how Warren Haynes and Gov't Mule plays it. Now they play it, I believe, in the key of C. I play it in the key of B because it's a little bit just funner for me to play that way, and I like the tonality of it a little bit better. And Warren plays a lot of slide in it, and I play very little slide. But I'm gonna go over the basics of the song, how I play it in the key of B, for you to build on. Listen to the song and build on it, right? So that's all about it. Having fun, building, and learning new things. So here's my A string. Here's an A tone. Tune of that. I'm in standard tuning. Playing a Gibson Les Paul, 1992. Beat all to pieces, but I love this old guitar. Me and this thing's been around many years together. So, your first chord is a B5. Then an F sharp, full chord. Then an E. Back to the B. I put that little type of riff run in there too. And what I'm on my A string going from my 4 to my 6, D string, 4th fret, D string, 6th fret. And give it a little vibrato too. Now when I go do that, and I kind of like open pluck the D string as like a in between note right there. Then when I hit my B, I'm hitting my A string 2nd fret first. Gives it a little bit of more of a live sound to me. A little bit more natural playing. I don't play anything note for note. I play what sounds close enough to have fun with, because that's what it's all about, having fun with the music, right? And building your skills as you progress. If you want to learn note for note, hey man, that's great. I've never really played anything note for note, a few songs, but mostly it's jam style type of music, bar style music, having fun and just playing it. So, B, F sharp, E, back to your B. Then he does a climb up in there when he goes, I believe, to the chorus, right? That's through the verse. Now for the chorus, F sharp, G sharp, then back to your B. So it'd be now if you want to add a little bit of lead work to that, a really cool riff you can run into on that would be in your B, would be your you can bend them around a little bit, get them to sound tonally a little bit different, but I'm going to give you the basics of that right now. So it's on my D string, I'm going from my 4 to my 6, and on my G string 4, then to my 6, back to my 4, then I'm hitting my G string on my 4th fret, and I'm also covering my B and my E string with my pinky finger, and I'm bending that G string up. And I'm not strumming that like that. I guess you could strum it, but personally I pick the G string and pluck up on the B and E string with my middle finger and ring finger. So it sounds like this, right? Gives it kind of like that southern rock type of bluesy, swampy blues sound, right? You can wiggle that G string around, right? Then I'm going to my E string 4th fret, then to my B string 7th fret. Real simple run, and it's not note for note anything near how Warren Haynes plays it, because the guy's a master musician. I'm just a guitar player having fun, right? So we'll look at it one more time, just for that little riff. Then back to our that's how I do that little fill right there. Then the main solo, I start it there. Then I'll actually slide up into my pentatonic box between my 7 and my 9, right? On the 7th, 9th fret for that pentatonic scale. And listen to the song, get the timing down, play along with it. Like I said, I play it in the key of B, F sharp, and E. I believe I've seen Warren play it in the key of C. But he may actually play it that way because he does a lot of slide work. It could be easier for them to play on stage like that. For me, I like the key of B, F sharp, and E. Something about that big old E chord that just sounds really powerful and really cool, especially when we're playing some like southern rock bluesy types of licks. So just sounds good. So for my sound, I'm just running through an old Fender Deluxe Reverb. I got a pod, line 6 pod. Got a little bit of compression going through it and a little bit of delay. And that's it. I'm set to the pod clean setting. The drive straight up in the middle. EQs all straight up at 12 o'clock. Channel volumes at 12. Output levels at your 9 o'clock position. Nothing fancy, but I like the sound, especially with the Les Paul. It sounds really good. So, with that, guys, remember, music is medicine for the mind, body, and soul. Don't ever forget that, because someday the only relief we're going to have is in the shade of a tombstone. Please, reach out, tell your friends about my channel, especially those with dexterity issues, because I play with dexterity issues in my fingers, wrists, elbows, and shoulder. So that's part of the reason I keep playing, to keep my hands limber and keep me in shape. In my young age of 60, I played a lot over a long time and had a lot of fun with it, and I'm going to keep doing that. Please like, subscribe, comment, share my channel. With that, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to leave you with a big old E chord. Here we go. Be good to one another.